Hello guys, welcome to this video. And if you want to make some extra money online, I've got an opportunity and I'd like to share with you today. And I'm going to give you all the details right on this video. So stay tuned for that. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel because right now I am uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that teaches you exactly how to make money online, how you guys can work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. So smash that subscribe button and don't forget to push the notification bell because you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, if you find out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, this is what I am doing. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information about that system. Guys, the people who gone through this system are now generating their first sale online. So it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So click the first link on the description of this video and I will share with you more information about that. So let's get into this video. So guys, today I want to share with you how you can make an extra money online by writing articles for this company called International Living. So you can earn money by writing posts about foreign living experiences that you had. So if you live in foreign country and you basically want to let the world know about your amazing experience, so if you can write a blog and write these things, you can make an extra money online by writing about living overseas. So you can get paid like $75 per post, and actually I think like it's 250. Yes, it's 250. Now they really raised up so they can get more people in there. So you just write about any topics related to living abroad, including cultures of food, places to visit, and things to do, and stuff like that. And to be writer for international living, you just simply write an article about any topic related to living abroad and send it to postcard at internationalliving.com and for a review. So they review it and they get your articles in their hands of their people. So they either accept it or decline it. And then you get paid $75 per article, guys, or more. And if you take a picture, they pay you $50 for that picture as well. So if they decide to use it, so hopefully have some fun, interesting stories from your living abroad experience, so that you can share with these guys. So guys, that's it. If you don't have any experience like that, but if you want to go ahead and sign up with this, so I'll leave a link in the description of this video so you can go directly from there. So it's internationalliving.com. But guys, if you don't want to do this thing, and if I tell you there is an easy way you can start, so click the first link in the description of this video, my number one recommended system that teaches you exactly how to make your first sale online. So click on the first link in the description of this video and I'll be share with you more information about that. So guys, that's it for the video. If you like this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. Thank you so much guys for watching my video, and if you haven't subscribed it yet, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.